Meaning of game fish.
Game fish.
Game fish.
Game fish.
Game fish. The term game fish refers to a type of fish that is sought after by anglers for sport or recreation, rather than for food. These fish are typically larger and stronger, providing a more challenging and exciting catch. Examples of game fish include trout, salmon, bass, tarpon, and marlin. Because they are often caught and released instead of being kept and eaten, game fish are typically subject to strict regulations and conservation efforts. The popularity of game fishing has led to the development of specialized gear and techniques, as well as organized tournaments and competitions.